Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the Tech. In this video, we're going to unbox an ASUS mouse. Actually, I forgot what I bought. What did I buy? I bought a couple of stuff from Shopee and there was a sale. Yeah, I think it's from the 10/10 sale. Once we open this, we're gonna find out because I forgot what I bought. So let's start opening it. Oh, I ordered this 10/10, the night of 10/10. It's a Saturday night, so yep, it's the night of 10, October 10. There was a sale, and I bought a couple of stuff. One of them is a mouse. So it arrived around 6 days after I bought it. 6 days. So this is an ASUS TUF Gaming M3. Alright, so it comes bubble wrap, the classic bubble wrap. So that's a plus. That's a plus, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, that's a plus. This is the kind of bubble wrap that you can pop. See? Yeah, my mic is over here. Ah, it's satisfying. Anyway, let's go on with opening the package. Go. Yep, an ASUS TUF Gaming M3 mouse. So I bought this from the official ROG store in Shopee, just so you know. Avoid buying from unofficial sources because, you know. Alright, so let's continue. Comes with in a neat packaging. By the way, this cost around like 900 pesos. That's barely $20. It's cheap, it's inexpensive, and I hope it performs better than my Logitech mouse because I have some issues with my Logitech mouse. Yeah, after a year, some of the keys are starting to act weird. So I hope it doesn't happen here. I put a review about that on this mouse, but it will take years of use before we could tell if that would happen as well. So very simple packaging, contains a couple of papers, manual. I think this is a manual. This is a manual. If you own a mouse, if you ever own a mouse, you don't need that really. It's just, you know, for formality, I guess. This is it smells like a mall. Smells like it came from a mall. Yeah, I can smell the air conditioning from that paper. And here's the mouse. Alright, so build quality, it's lighter than my Logitech G300. I think it's a G300 mouse. And I think it's better. It's a bit larger. Feels comfortable. So, pretty normal mouse. Nothing extraordinary. I mean, for a gaming mouse, nothing extraordinary, but compared with cheapo mouses, of course, this is a huge step. Under pads, the pads under it is okay. You have 4 customizable buttons. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's a rubberized mouse wheel. I guess that's good. And yeah, I think this is worth, based from the build itself, it's worth like 1,000 pesos. 900. Forgot the exact amount I paid for it. I think it's around 900. So let's power this on, see how it looks like with the LEDs on. There you go. That's the only LED part. So it changes color, I noticed. Yeah, I didn't I didn't check out the specifications of this product before I bought it. I just saw it in Shopee and I said to myself, hey, look, cool. It's a mouse. It's a bit cheap from ASUS, so probably it's going to be okay. Didn't know that that's an RGB lighting there. It changes color, so I assume you can change it. Let's check the manual. course, always RTFM. Okay, so you will need to download Armory 2 to customize the buttons, including the lighting effects. So don't forget to download that. So yeah, this video is supposed to be just an unboxing and a first impression. And yeah, I've already said my first impressions. And yeah, I was just surprised this is an RGB because yeah, I didn't read the product description when I bought it. Just saw a mouse and it looks cool, and so I bought it. So I think you wouldn't go wrong with this mouse. The response is okay. It's good. Handling is doesn't unlike other mice. Other mice have some delay, especially the wireless ones. I think this would work fairly okay. I can't say anything bad about it. Its price is okay. I wouldn't really, you know, buy something cheaper because cheaper mice tend to be crap. Except A4 Tech. If you want a nice cheap mice, you should buy A4 Tech. Anyway, that's all for this video. Hit like if you like this video. Where's the box? Hit like if you like this video, dislike it, dislike it. Leave us a message in the comments what you think about this mouse. Did you have any problems with this mouse? My presentation is upside down, so you have to look at it like that. Yeah, because my computer is over there. And of course, don't forget to subscribe.